Hello my beautiful friends, it's me, Jennysrp, and welcome to another unboxing. Tonight we are looking at the Pyjama Drama box. This is a June special edit, so typically Pyjama Drama is every other month, so we would have gotten May and then July, but they decided to do an extra June special box because the previous orders had been so successful. They wanted to do another pajama of the same cut for a special June edition box. So I am wearing the May edition pajamas. Very, very cute and so comfortable. When I first saw what they were doing for the June special box, I wasn't so sure. I was into the illustration and the design, but the cut of the pajamas was exactly the same, and it's so comfortable, especially for these really hot nights. I'm recording this at 9:30 at night and it's still so hot and the sun is still going down here in the UK. So I saved this all month so that we could open it up together. Let's take a look. So here's the package, it's wrapped in pink. And it's been sitting and airing out for a while. I already know what the pajama design looks like, but I'm not clear on what else is in the box. How pretty is that? If you wanna feel some feminine, pink bow. Ooh, what is it? Hey babe, look at you, you cozy queen. Totally gorgeous. You haven't even got them on yet and we're thinking, who knew pajamas could look so good? Get them on and work it, girl. A whole bunch of love and care has gone into your Pyjama Drama box, so we sincerely hope each item encourages you to take some time out to enjoy these cozy nights in like never before. And then it has some instructions on how to enter a giveaway, I believe. And of course, I will be participating, #PyjamaDramaBox on Instagram. How fun. Let's just go ahead and start with the pajamas. It's the same design that I have on. You can't see the buttons, but there we go. It's the same style. Oh, they do feel a little softer, but maybe that's because I've washed these a couple times already and we have really hard water here in Windsor. They're wrapped in a little ribbon. This month's design is a wiener dog. Long days. So it's the same like brand, Long Days, with little wiener dog on it. So cute. And then the bottoms are pink polka dots. And they're kind of a crop leg with a tie, so you can make them tighter if you want, but they are still loose enough that they're not like cinching in on your calves. So they're very, really comfortable, and I'm usually someone who needs to wear a t-shirt, but like these little cropped flayed sleeves are really comfortable too. Ooh, next we have a vanilla and Ylang candle. Ooh, that smells really good. That smells really bedtimey. That's so nice. Flamingo candles, soy wax, 40 hours burn time. That's about a month's worth of before bed lightings. Next we have a Skin Perfect mask. One application. How lovely. That'll be a nice cool thing to do this week while we're having our heat wave here in the UK. Ooh, next we have a full size bottle of Cotton Smooth Micellar body wash. Nice. So that sounds like it will probably be pretty good for like neutralizing in the shower. Excellent. I've never used a micellar body wash before. Sweet. And then finally, our last little item. Ooh, Skin Alchemists cleansing oil. I got a Skin Alchemists oil from a previous box. I'm not sure which one, and it's so cool. And it looks so witchy with the kind of like Alchemists design there. Let's give it a stamp. That smells really good. And I love oil cleansers because they're so good at getting makeup off and without like drying out your skin. So I'm really looking forward to using that. It's such a really like super nice brand. I don't have like an extra card to add everything up and tell you how much it retails for, but I will have a quick browse online and see if I can find these items online and how much they might retail for, plus the cost of the box, so you can see if it's worth it for you. I think it's a great discovery box. I thought 6 sets of pajamas in a year would be plenty, but because it was summer and I can't go outside to go shopping, and I knew I already loved this design, like the cut of this pajama, I knew I had to sign up and get the special edition June box because I needed more crop pajamas, more cool pajamas to spend these hot nights in. I'm really pleased with it, and I think it's great value for the money. So let me know if you decide to check out Pyjama Drama box, and we will see you again very soon with some brand new boxes. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. That helps me keep creating and keep making these things for you. And you can follow me on Instagram, where I usually post pictures of other things if I don't get around to posting videos. That's about it. Stay cool. Hope you're not in too bad of a heat wave where you are. And stay safe and take care of each other. Yeah, sending lots of love.